everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Flybuys card online. Flybuys is Australia's most popular loyalty program that helps you collect points by shopping and scanning with Flybuys partner. If you'd like to activate your Flybuys card, then open up a web browser of your choice and into the URL box type in www.flybuys.com.au and press enter. Soon after you end up in this official web page, you need to register your card in order to activate it. Go and click on the Join Flybuys button at the top right in order to start up with the registration. Go ahead and enter your details to join in. Type in your first name and then your last name on the next field and click Next. Enter a mobile number and click Send Verification Code. Enter the verification code in the text box and follow the prompts till the end. Provide your personal details and your card information as it is asked in the display, and you'll be able to activate your Flybuys card right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.